Alright, welcome to 540 East 148th Street. It's a beautiful two-family townhouse here in the South Bronx. Right down there you have St. Mary's Park. See, it's a beautiful, quiet block. The 2 and the 5 trains are 2 blocks down there. So let's go inside. So out here by September 1st we'll have all this cleaned out, new pavement laid down. The facade will be painted black to go with the white awnings. We'll have new floors throughout here, very similar to those. The stairs will be painted. The walls will be finished painted. Everything should be done here in the next week or 10 days. Up here is the common living room. So we'll have a couch, sofa over there, dinner table there. Dinner table here, TV set up there. This is the room for $750. There's a closet. And faces the front. This is the kitchen, which will have the cabinets painted light gray to match the countertops. New appliances will be in any minute. Common laundry for everybody to use. The bathrooms will look like this once they're all done. Obviously new vents and everything like that. This is one of the larger rooms, priced at $1,100. Has private access to the backyard. Every room will have a ceiling fan as well to keep cooling costs down. Here's the other largest room that we have available, priced at $1,100. Easily big enough for a king-size bed and your own little sofa living room setup. It looks out on the trees, so it's very peaceful. There's also extra storage here for everyone to use. Here's the common bathroom for the 3rd floor. This bedroom is priced at $850. Faces the back, so we get southern exposure, looks out over the garden. It also has a large walk-in closet. Plenty of storage. And there is this bedroom, priced at $900. Again, looks out over the back. This is very peaceful. Fits a queen size bed. Has a huge closet.